The last one ended like this as well. So we're at Elftopia. We didn't even open the vlog yet.
No, I just filmed you on a boat.
And we have
Daddy.
We have Daddy Geralt enjoying his fish. And we have a butterfly enjoying her bread.
Street roll.
Chimney cake, street roll.
Sweet.
Oh, sweet roll.
Street roll.
Sweet.
Sure.
That's what I would do. And we have John.
Hi.
And me. Because no party is complete without me. Yeah.
Yeah.
The weather is very
Weird.
Right now it's sunny. Oh my god, this is hot. And then it was raining, and then it's sunny. It's just like the Netherlands, except we're in Belgium.
Wow.
Woo.
And it's totally not close to each other.
Shh. And he has a boat, but you already saw it. This is the most awesome Geralt ever, because he has a boat. Yes. We decided that.
It's noted.
It's on YouTube now.
It's on YouTube, so it must be true.
Yes. YouTube is truth.
Oh my god. Oh my god. We found a Geralt and he has a boat. This is so awesome.
Now it's her turn. He's secretly a Team Triss guy, but we're not gonna tell people that. Oh, I just did. So romantic. Jennifer left me for Geralt. She's still in the boat with him. And I'm stuck.
Raining.
Oh, it's raining and she's in the boat. I hope Geralt will protect her. They're not coming back. Oh well. Off to Nilfgaard! God, it's raining so bad. Ah!
Oh yes.
Oh yes. Some more boat adventures. This time we're in the boat with all three of us.
Poor
And
Geralt.
Poor Geralt. No, he has the strong arms. It's fine. It's very pretty. Whoa, zoom in.
No thanks.
It's fine. I can't zoom out anymore. Oh, there's a big stick in the water.
Big stick in the water.
No, but for real, this boat is awesome. It's the best day ever. Woo!
I agree.
Jennifer's not impressed.
I am.
Oh.
Jennifer's also looking into the light.
So over there's the castle and like everyone else. And we're here.
We're in a boat.
We're in a boat. Because the boat's awesome. Oh no, the wind.
Wind's howling. Yeah, the wind that was helping us is not helping us anymore.
Not helping us anymore.
Geralt is the duck whisperer.
Duck whisperer.
Here we see Geralt and the duck in their natural habitat.
It's still running though.
Running.
Swimming. Swiftly.
Yeah. Maybe it's Donald.
It's a girl.
No, Donald Duck.
It's a female duck, yo.
Then it's Katrien. Daisy. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Still on the roll.
It's kind of funny actually.
So we didn't even show you much of Elftopia, but it's basically like Elfia but way smaller. There's people and music and stands and cosplayers and people in costumes and people sitting and chilling and drinking and being on their phone and drinking and drinking. Even the boat is drinking. The boat is slowly dying. It's fine. He gave it a dead fish.
No, the dead fish is still there.
But yes, it's fun. Yeah.
Oh, it's so sweet.
So we finally got the family together. Except Tris. Tris, we miss you.
Iris!
Iris!
I mean, Shizuka!
Shizuka!
I mean, Celestia!
Celestia! Come here! You name changer. But yeah, the meat is very nice.
Nice.
Big sip. And she bought this very pretty,
Expensive.
expensive cup.
For some reason. Also, this one broke again, so we can use it.
Yeah, we can throw
So
that
it was
away.
good I bought it. Look at that. Getting fighting lessons from Daddy. And she's down.